Are we recording? Okay. Hello, Miss B. My name is Frank Martinez, and today I'm going to explain my FRQ question for problem number 1. Alright, let's begin. Scenario. Carlos places a constant motion vehicle on the ground and releases it so that the vehicle travels down the hall at 5 meters per second in a straight line for 10 seconds. Using representations. Part A. Scale and label the axis on the graph to the right. Draw a velocity versus time graph of the constant motion vehicle for the first 10 seconds of its motion. Alright, and since we're told that the vehicle has been traveling for 5 meters per second in a straight line, then my slope is going to be a straight line through there. Just like that. And also at the bottom, the graph, from my x-axis, I put 1 through 10, which is represented time in seconds. And on my y-axis, I put 1 through 5, which is represented as velocity meters per second. Alright, let's move on to Part B, argumentation. Collect evidence about the physical meaning of the slope of the graph that could be used to support a claim. Fill in the blanks below. Evidence. The slope of the velocity versus time graph is equal to 0 meters per second. Oh, sorry about that. It's supposed to be meters per second. Oh, why did you do that? There we go. For acceleration. There we go. The slope of the velocity versus time graph is equal to 0 meters per second because when you're given, since our line is a straight line, that means our slope will be 0 meters per second. And also meters per second is also a unit for acceleration because acceleration is defined as the rate of change in velocity.